welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your Radon Mitigation business. If you run a Radon Mitigation business, then manually handling all the bookings and scheduling inspections can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send responses and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for Radon Mitigation business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And the chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Safe Air Radon Mitigation Services. I can help you with service availability, get a free quote, and schedule inspection." I'm going to select the first one, which says service availability. You can check availability by providing details in the given link, and it has provided us with a clickable tracking link. Next, I'm going to select the second option that says get a free quote. And as we click on it, it responds us with, "To give you an accurate quote, please answer a few quick questions. First, property type." So here I'm going to respond with house. And next it asks me approximate square footage. So here I'm going to respond with about 2000 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom house with a finished basement. And it responds us with, "We have received your details as house about 2000 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom house with finished basement. I'll send you a quote summary." So lastly, I'm going to choose this option that says schedule inspection. And it responds us with, "Let's book your inspection. Please reply with preferred date." So here I'm going to send a dummy response as, and then it asks me my address. So here I'm going to send a dummy response as, and it responds me with, "We have received your details as given date and given location. We will confirm availability soon." So this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Radon Mitigation services. We have created this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create it, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on Sign In. However, if you are a new user, click on Sign Up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on Sign In, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on Access Now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, and when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Radon Mitigation. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with the basic setup, we can start curating our first message with the help of text button. So here I am going to enter a welcome message. Here I have added this message, and here I have added little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. This is how our text will appear to the user. With the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options. You can add as many as 3 quick reply options like this. Once we have created our first message, we have to create a response for each quick reply options. I'm going to use a text button, and here I'm going to add. Here we have added this message. It will look like this to the user. Next, we are going to create a response for get a free code. And for this, I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. I'm going to place it here, and here I'm going to ask for the details to get a free code. Here I've added this message. To give you an accurate code, please answer a few quick questions. First, property type. And here we have an option to select contact custom fields. To know how to create contact custom fields, check the link in the description box. Once you have created contact custom field, you can find them in the drop down. Here I'm going to select name as property type, and as format I'm going to select text. I'm going to provide 2 number of attempts. You can provide as many attempts as you want. And I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Next, I'm going to access another question box, and here I have added this message where I have asked approximate square footage. And in the contact custom fields, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select any. And then I'm going to link it to the question box. Now I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message. It will look like this to the user. We have received your details as $name. Name was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user. Similarly, we have $add. Add was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details sent by the user. I will send you a code summary. Lastly, we have to create a response for schedule inspection, and for this we have to access the question box again. First, link it to the question box, and here I'm going to add. Here I have added this message, let's book your inspection, please reply with preferred date. In the contact custom field, I'm going to select time, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to access another question box. And here I'm going to add address, and in this contact custom field, I'm going to select address, and as format, I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the question box. Lastly, I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. Here I have added this message. It will look like this to the user. Again, $time was our contact custom field, and these two will be replaced by the actual details sent by the user. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for Radon Mitigation. We have created this chatbot easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video. And once you have created your flow, you can save it from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.